Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off App Store notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Notifications. Next in here, scroll down to the notification style section and tap on App Store. Then at the top, tap on Allowed Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you turn on notifications for the App Store, there are other settings that you can also change, such as notification delivery. You can set it to immediate or schedule summary. The other options you can change is the time-sensitive notifications. Below that, at the alerts section, you can choose to show it on the lock screen or on notification center or in banners, or you can have it to display on all of them. There is also a banner style. You can choose to display your notifications as temporary or persistent. And then you can choose the type of sound. So this one here, you cannot change the sound, but you can turn on or turn off sounds for the App Store notifications, as well as the badges. And down here, you got the announce notifications. So you can tap on that and then choose to turn on or turn off announce notifications. This will basically read out the notifications once you receive it from the App Store. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.